Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn algebra together step by step. Algebra uses letters to stand for numbers, letting us describe patterns and solve problems. We'll meet variables, build expressions, and form equations. A variable is a letter standing for a value that can change. A constant is a fixed number. In 5x plus 3, x is the variable while 5 and 3 are constants. We turn words into expressions. 5 more than n is n plus 5, twice x is 2x, and p less than 10 is 10 minus p. An equation states two expressions are equal, joined by an equal sign. We solve it by keeping both sides balanced. Solve x plus 4 equals 9. Subtract 4 from both sides to keep the balance, leaving x equals 5. To recap, variables are letters for values, constants are fixed. We translate words into expressions, and we solve equations by doing the same to both sides. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.